Here, black wants to move his king to a2, then a1 square, then pushing his pawn forward like this and hope for some draw. But we didn't allow him to make a draw because we want to win this game. But how? Friends, my name is Suchit. Today in this video, I teach you the rook and the king's pawn endgame. So stay tuned till the end. Let's proceed the video. Friends, I want to say this is a my bullet game and I have only 5 seconds and opponent having 4 seconds. So I apply same concept as I learned from the grandmaster. Yeah, so game proceed. King to a2. Black wants to some draw, but king c3, giving him waiting move. Then pawn push to a3. Our main idea is to give the opponent king some opposition, like we don't allow him to make some progress like this. King to c2. We aligning our king to this same diagonal, that is c diagonal, and keeping some opposition like this, making gap of the one square towards the opponent king. Yeah, and as the opponent make his force move, king a1, then what you play in this position? Yeah, we have no need to move our king forward, but we simply place our rook to this h6 and then make opponent some waiting move. Yeah, rook h6, then black has a two move, but before this is a bullet game, opponent wants to some draw and this pushes pawn forward to the a2 square, and as you see the pawn has no legal square to move and king also have no legal square to move anywhere. So this is a one move mate. Yeah, but we see what happen if opponent move king to the a2. Yeah, then nothing much happen. We simply place our rook to the b6, then opponent has a one force move, king to the a1. Yeah, like this way, this and opponent has a only one move like this, then rook to b1, check, king to a2, and what we do, simply rook to b3, giving some waiting play to the king, and king has only one square to move, king to a1, and this is some zigzag move. Yeah, and there is a mate in one, rook takes a3. So what we learned in this lesson, that keeping our king one file above to the opponent's king, in between one space between the two kings like this. Yeah, like this, one space our king, and make opponent to make a force move, even this is pawn and this is king. Yeah, and when opponent's pawn last move to the this file a2. Yeah, Then we move our rook to this file and make some mating net at h1. This, yeah. So friends, I hope you like this video. If yes, then like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.